Can you smell that nature? Mother Nature. Look at that nature behind me. There's no cars. There's nothing. There's nothing that has technology. Like, look behind me. Nothing with technology. Just pure nature. Now today, we are starting off a new series. Because I kind of got bored. Well, not really bored. But Chef Preston... I don't know what to say. I mean, Chef Preston was epic. But I think we should discover more nature. And less ingredients in my kitchen. Nothing, and I mean nothing, has technology behind me. Look, no technology. See, it's just a bunch of woods. There's no electric poles, you know, there's no wires. There's no light emitting from the house. There's nothing. So today, we're just gonna discover some nature. Come on. Come on. If you want to be with Mother Nature, who you gonna be with? Chef Preston, if you want to be with Mother Nature. Yeah, I know I'm singing terribly, but that's why everybody says, if you don't want to be with me, Mother Nature! Beautiful nature. Look at that nature right there. Oh, I thought that was a bird. It's not a bird. Let's continue walking and finding nature. As you can see, nature is a very, very nice thing. Look, nature is always on our side. Nature is beautiful. Frick, I just stepped on dog. Okay, my fellow culinary art chefs. That non-technological building, that pure nature building right there. Heard someone scream from it, man. It's pure nature. Pure nature. And you know, you're gonna hear that stuff in nature. Let's continue. And now it sounds like there's a gang war over at the all-natural school right there. Let's go find some more nature. Ow, ow. All right. Jackpot. See some of the specialties they got here. Pure nature. Pure nature right there. This freaking magazine was made with pure Mother Nature. You know, Mother Nature gave babies, you know, gave birth to all these beautiful trees. And you know what? I think it's beautiful. I really do. I think it's so beautiful what Mother Nature does for us. They make coupons. Is that pee? That's freaking pee. Step in it. That was not the worst. Your nature. Pure nature. Oh, what's this? Call today to take advantage of this exclusive offer. Camera is tilted. I cannot set it up properly. Since, you know, this was copper. I don't know. Okay, so exclusive offer. Let's see. Come on, people.
quality assurance purposes, this call may be recorded or monitored.
Okay.
Oh, it's a great day here at Leaf Filter Gutter Protection. It's Bradley. How may I help you?
Yeah, I just got a note with your, guys' name on it. And it just says call today to take advantage of an exclusive offer. Who are you guys again?
Yeah, of course. This is Leaf Filter Gutter Protection.
Leaf Filter
We're
Gutter
the company that installs a screen for your gutters to prevent any debris from getting inside there.
Oh. So, I'm sorry, sir. I must have mistaken you. I didn't see what you guys were about on here.
Oh, no, you're quite alright, not to worry at all. Is there anything else I could do for you?
Nah. You have a good day.
No problem. You have a great day.
Are you out in beautiful nature where there's no vehicles, no wiring, no nothing? My dogs are barking, but that's okay. Let us look around the yard some more. Or you know what? Just physical nature. All around. Nature. So naturous. So naturey. It's like, I don't know, maybe we can do this on Chef Preston someday. This is overgrown garden. I know, it's really beautiful. Because you want to know why it's beautiful? Because it's pure nature. And you see, here's the thing. Oh. Pure nature. There's nothing else out here that's non-technological. So you know what? Let's go see, you know, behind it. Okay, we are arriving in the back of nature. Nature's backwoods. Got my hiking stick in case, you know, a snake comes along. And in case I want to eat more of this. You know what? Freaking. Nature. Come on. Let's continue down Nature Row. Really nothing big. Really nothing small either. We gotta continue though. The magic of nature doesn't stop here. POV, you know what I'm saying? Like, look, POV. POV, boys. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Did you hear that? It's nature. It's nature calling my name. Okay, we need to stay low. We need... Oh! It's us. I'm being hunted. At 3 a.m. in the morning. I'm just kidding. I think this is a snake hole. Should I be here? I don't think I should be here. Was that a bite? I just got bit by something. Let's continue though. Nature called our name. Didn't call it for nothing, did they? Want to keep your eyes out for like spider-webbed trapdoor spiders. You also want to keep an eye out for snakes in these long grassed areas. You know what? Screw this. When you gotta go, you know what I mean? Hello there. Nature is out there. Nature is out there. I don't think those people know what nature is. I mean, they know what nature is. But like, you know, on my show, we always got to give some good content to good people. And, you know, I need to go to the bathroom. So, why don't you adventurers stay right here while I go to the potty? It's getting on my legs. They won't notice. They won't see my face. Oh, is that it? Guys, so I am stuck on my porch for an unknown reason. Look, that place is overgrown and my gosh darn cat peed all everywhere. Oh, you know what makes me so angry? It was definitely my cat, though. My cat's an inside cat, as you guys know from Chef Preston. I have 2 cats. So, don't challenge me, bros. Don't challenge me. Okay, well, I think I just heard a snake. I think I'm gonna just have to cross this little pee-pee pile here. Ew, it's warm. Okay, alright. Oh, it's so freaking warm. Oh, it's on the steps. Oh, it's disgusting. Anyway, I think that's enough nature for today. Don't ask why I'm rubbing my legs. It's a normal thing to do. Yeah, I think that was enough nature for one day. You know, if you want to continue the series, subscribe for more. Yeah, great series. Great series I got going on here. Goodbye, Nate.